This video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to overclock your RAM. So step 1, we'll click on the Windows button, press the power button, press restart. And as it is restarting, we'll press the appropriate key to enter into the BIOS. Mine would be F2. So this is my BIOS. It's for the ASUS Z390 motherboard. We'll go into advanced mode, click on that, or press F7. So as you can see, my RAM is already overclocked. So I'll go to the AI tweaker. And over here, you'll turn on your XMP. So you just click on it. Press on XMP1, or you can choose XMP2. However, for me, XMP2 is a bit stuttery. I prefer XMP1. Once done, you can press easy mode, save and exit, and then start into your system. However, if your system is stable, you may further overclock your RAM by entering to the BIOS again, then entering advanced. Clicking on advanced. You may scroll down until finding DRAM frequency. So DDR4, mine is set as 3,333 megahertz. My default speed would be 2,400. Once turning on XMP1, it should be at 3,200 megahertz. However, my motherboard allows me to overclock on all 4 channels to 3,333, and if only 2 slots of RAM are occupied, I may overclock to 3,466 megahertz. That is what my motherboard allows. And each motherboard is different. If you have 2 sticks of RAM, you will generally be able to push it a little bit further. If you have all 4 sticks of RAM and all 4 channels are occupied, it will generally mean a lesser degree of overclocking. But it depends on your motherboard. The higher quality your motherboard, the more premium it is, the higher you'll be able to go. So this is a mid-range motherboard. It's an ASUS Z390 tough gaming motherboard. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it just a notch up. If your default speed, like most of you, is 3,200 megahertz, just put it a notch up at 3,300. Click on it and click on easy mode and click on save and exit and click OK. And if you launch and the stability is good, you'll go into the BIOS again, click on advanced mode or F7, go to the DRAM frequency tab, click on it, and then you may further overclock your RAM. Just do it notch by notch until you get to the frequency where your system is unstable. Take it a notch back, and that's it. So I'm gonna keep it at that. Click on easy mode, save and exit. Okay. Now it's going to automatically take me back to my desktop. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoyed it? Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.